What's up guys, Joe back here with another amazing video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited amount of referrals, as you can see in the title of this video. And if you do not know what referrals are, this is like getting people to sign up with your referral links to survey sites and other get paid to sites that you guys actually use. So I'm going to show you guys how to get referrals on each and every one of those sites for small amount or small fee, but it's gonna be worth it. Trust me, watch this video to the end to actually know how to use this and how to do this properly. So I'm not going to be going straight to the point. I'm going to show you guys a few apps that are going to pay you to entertain yourselves. These apps will pay you to post pictures, watch videos, and actually play games. So stay with me. I'm going to go over these apps and show you how to actually get unlimited referrals. So the first app on this list is actually Kiki, and this app is popular. You guys might know this already, and this app or website is going to pay you per post that you actually make, and this website is worldwide. You get the web you could actually go on the website to create an account or download the app from the Play Store or App Store. So as you can see on the screen right now, these are some of my posts, and something you would notice is that I get about $1 and some cents for each post I actually make. So it doesn't actually, the amount you actually get doesn't depend on your engagement. As you can see, this one got only 9 views and I still got $1. So the only downside to this is that you need a certain amount of points each time to actually make a post. So you have to complete surveys a few times before you could get points to complete a post or refer some friends so you could actually post a picture or an article. That's it for this app over here, Kiki. The second app we're going to be going over is called Clips, and this app is on the Play Store and App Store. I'm not sure if it's worldwide, but you guys could go check that out. And if it's not in your App Store, you could try changing your App Store or Play Store to the USA Play Store and App Store. Just play with it and actually see where you could actually find this. So the name of the app is Clips, and it's going to pay you to watch funny videos. And trust me guys, these videos are actually very funny. So I'm going to go over to my screen in a bit to show you guys how the app is actually like, so you guys could have an idea of how it all works and all. So guys, as you can see on the screen right now, this is the app, and you just come over here to watch funny videos, and you can see the chests at the bottom. This is going to load up, and the more videos you actually with the more time you spend on the app, the more chests you're going to get and the more money you're going to get. So as you can see at the top right now, I have $4.16, and I've actually cashed out about 2 times from this app. I don't actually remember any app that's paid me to watch videos, so in my opinion this is actually the best one so far. I do not know of any other ones out there that's gonna pay you this much. So when you gather up your chest, you could come over here, open your chest, you're gonna earn some coins which you could convert to real money and cash out through PayPal. You could see those over here. You could also refer your friends to this app. You can use my link in the description if you want to. So that is pretty much it for this app, Clips over there. So the next one I actually want to go to is Misplay, and this is the last one. This is the best app guys. I've used this app. The only downside is that this app is only available on Android phones, so it's gonna be on the iOS pretty soon. I do not know when, but you guys could come over to the website and join the iOS waitlist over here. But for now, it's available to the Play Store only on the Android, and it's a really cool app. The app is going to pay you to play simple games. So as you can see, they pay in gift cards mostly, and I think they have PayPal. They pay throughout PayPal, but I've cashed out through gift cards about twice throughout my time using this app. So the app is available on the Play Store, as I said before. You guys could come over here and read some reviews. As you can see, it has 4.4 rating out of 5, so you guys know it's actually a legit app, and I've used this app before and I've gotten payments from it. Every single app I show you guys in a review, I've actually used before, so you guys know that it's legit and free to use. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually get unlimited referrals to each and every one of these apps, and the name of this website is Get Referrals.us. So you guys could come over here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. The name of this website is Get Referrals.us, and it's pretty much in the name of the website already. You could come over here, check out, read this stuff. You could put in your email over here. But what this website does, it offers services like sign-ups, and they're basically giving you referrals. You could also come over here to get Instagram followers. You could get votes from this website. You could get website visitors. You could get YouTube subscribers. I wouldn't advise you to use that though. You could get sign-ups to your whatever service site you're actually promoting, so you guys could get referrals over on this website. So what you pretty much have to do, come over to getreferrals.us, click on order now, and it's going to load up. So guys, as you can see, you're going to get over to the sales page over here, and on the sales page you could pretty much scroll down and buy whatever service you actually want. So let's say I want to get sign ups for my referral link, or for whatever service site I want to get referrals for. I'm going to come over here. Let's wait for that to load up real quick. And when that loads up, you're gonna come over here and put in the product details. So you're gonna specify if the sign up is gonna be simple, medium, or complex. So if it's a simple sign up, you could choose that. And if you need about 30 referrals, that's the least amount of referrals you could actually purchase. You could click on 30. Then over here you could put in your referral link and the instructions you want the workers to actually carry out. So you could put in your link, you could put in www. You could come over here, put in your link and the instructions for their workers, so they actually know what you want them to do, and so they could carry out the task properly and do it well without any of you actually complaining. So I advise you guys to choose the right option so you guys could actually maximize your earnings, because if you put in the wrong options, like for instance your country, because their website actually detects the country you're from, and if you put in the wrong country, your money is going to get returned to you minus the fees the transactions actually cost. So if your sign up is difficult, put it on difficult. If you're from USA or any other country, put in the right country. So I know you guys are probably wondering where they get their referrals they give you from. So this website, they have workers they pay to actually sign up with your referral links you put in over here. So when you come over to the website to order something like get signups or get referrals or get Instagram followers, they're going to pay other people to actually go to these links to follow you, to sign up, so you guys could get your referral bonuses. And so most of these people are also into the making money online, into using making money online apps. So these people are going to be active on this app, so you guys could keep on earning referral bonuses over and over again. So you guys could come over here, check those out. It's secure. I mean, you pay out, you cash out, you pay through PayPal. So that is this for this website. Is pretty secure, and I've actually used this website on a bunch of different sites like Swagbucks, as you can see, 68 referrals over here. I just bought those. Kiki over here, 60 referrals. I have some referrals on ClipClaps too, and a whole lot of other apps I'm actually using, because this website actually makes it possible for you to earn more money than you actually spend on buying those referrals. For instance, Swagbucks pays you about $3 per referral that you get after they complete a certain task, and this website is going to cost you $3 to get about 30 referrals from this website. So I hope you guys understand how this goes. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. You guys could use the links in the description to use each and every one of these sites if you want to support the channel. That's pretty much it for this video. Peace and out.